Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Patrice, and this is my embellished life. You guys, office wear sewing has begun. Yes, I've selected the pattern as well as the fabric. So if that's something you want to see, let's get in it. So, a few episodes back, I showed you guys a selection of butterick pattern that I would like to make a part of my professional wear wardrobe. And I am so excited to get started on this project. Yes. So, the first pattern that I am going to select, it's butterick 6410. Yes, 6410, which is a fast and easy pattern. Now, this pattern, I recently bought it when simplicity.com had their sale on butterick, and I bought the PDF version of it. Now, I've never sewn a PDF butterick pattern, so I'm not sure how it's going to be. I know for one, there'll be the process of putting it together, which I am kind of gearing myself off. I don't like that part, but nonetheless, here we are. So, but I've never used butterick before. Well, the PDF pattern. Let me correct myself there. I've never used a PDF pattern for butterick, so I'm not sure what shenanigans await me. To be honest. But I am so excited to give this a shot. Now, you guys, I do have a confession to make. Yes, I do. After I showed the video with the potential butterick patterns, I went back onto Simplicity site and I purchased some more patterns. Yes, I did. And I found Butterick 6332, which is another lifestyle patterns. I love Butterick lifestyle wardrobe pattern. And View B is just calling me at the moment. It's just calling me. But I said, no, Patrice, you must be disciplined. You can't show these people all of these patterns and then you deviate. This is why you and your patterns are always in some sort of ruction, because you select them and then you toss them aside like a day old bread. But I'm going to stick to stick to the plan for now. But let's just say I'm going to put 6332. I'm just gonna slide it underneath and make it apart so the rest pattern wouldn't even notice. You have to do these things sometimes. But anyway, yes, I am going to start with Butterick 6410, and I'm looking currently to do View B. Yes. Now, View B has a short sleeves, which I can live with. I don't mind short sleeves at all. So I can, but at the same time, View A is also calling me because I do like that, the color with it. But I'm not sure as yet. But I need to make a decision ASAP because it's time for me to cut the fabric. And let me show you the fabric. I am so excited to have it. When I decided that I wanted to sew some more professional wear, I went on to Cali Fabrics and I had my basket filled with different types of fabric that would be suitable for the office wear, like gabardines and soutines and all of those type of cotton blends. And oh my goodness, you do not want to see my basket for Cali Fabric at the moment. But yesterday I went into my local fabric store, as I frequently visit, and they also had new fabrics that came in. And a part of those new fabrics was suiting and gabardine, and I was so happy about it because some of the fabrics that they have available are actually some of the fabrics that are currently in my shopping cart for Cali Fabrics. So of course, I'm going to support my local economy. I'm sorry, Cali Fabrics, no love lost, but you and I are still one. But I do have to support my local economy first. I'm just saying. And so the two fabrics that I got, the two suiting fabrics that I purchased. So excited. Let me show you guys. I purchased these two suiting fabrics. Now this one is kind of a top or oatmeal brown, and then this is more of a chocolate kind of brown. And the plan is to match these two together for view B because it allows for um, color blocking. Yes. So this is what I'm going to do. Yes. Now, I know that I've mentioned that I don't wear a lot of browns. I have nothing against brown. I just don't wear a lot of it. But I think for professional wear, it's a good color to wear, when you're in the office environment, when you're in the corporate world. Yes. So I think these two would go damn good together for Butterick 6410, and I am so excited to sew it up. So yes, you guys, I'll keep you guys posted with the finished product as always, so you guys can hear all of my shenanigans and my misadventures and what's not. But yeah, that's the first pattern that I'm going to sew up, and I'm all too excited to get started. Yes. All right, lovies, that is all that I have today concerning my next sewing project of Butterick 6410. Thank you so much for stopping by. Yes, and I hope you actually enjoy the new office wear series that I am about to embark on. I am so excited. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and also follow me on Instagram to keep up with all of my other crafting shenanigans. I hope you have a lovely day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Think lovely thoughts. Keep on smiling and always remember to make beautiful and wonderful things. All right, lovies, I'm out of here. Bye.